We're just making some pens here now. What? Well, there we go, guys. Woohoo! Yeah. Fucking got a quarter down. Right on, right on. She's nice and thick, too. I don't know if they'll be able to rig this or not. She's pretty heavy old iced tea. Just about buried her right over there. Nice. Oh, well. What do you do? He's got what looks like about 2 more strips here yet to finish up. So, anyways. I'll bring you back in a bit. There's Sean over there giving her hell. Nice. Talk to you later. Fuck's that cut in the forest? Nice. Can't go very fast, that's for sure. Oh well. Nice and thick in here anyways. Look at that shit. Woo! Woo! Nice. It's like cutting in the trees. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. This stuff sure grows tall, boys, I'm telling you. It's taller than I am. Probably taller than Tyson, too. Cool. Making a hell of a swat. Can you see it or not? Ah, whatever. We'll see it on the next pass. Alrighty, guys. Well, we're heading out actually to the piece that we just cut there yesterday. Tyson's behind me. Sean and Grandpa are over there raking up the headlands, so we're gonna head over and get those headlands raked up, and then they don't need to lift their rakes up and down over top of all the swaths. So we should be there in about 15 minutes, so probably like 1 second for you guys. It's about time you showed up. It's freaking calves, eh? Oh, what a guy. Well, she's kind of dry, the stuff. She's making good dust anyways. Oh boy. My meters are way off here. I gotta fill this side. That's why I hate videoing on the outside round. Usually have trouble. Anyway, this shit is running crazy. I haven't even made a round yet. I'm not even half a round yet, and I got 20 bales already. Nice, boys. Just be feeding cows like crazy. Well, we made her this far. I didn't quite get her on, but I got 40-something bales already, so that's nice. Anyways, old iced tea's giving her over there. I blew a fucking hose. Just covered her. Nice. Oh, well. What do you do? So I'm just heading back to the yard here now. I'm going to go take that hose off and bomb into town and see if I can't get a hose made up yet today. Anyway, talk to you in a few. Okay. Oh, it's hot out here now. Anyway, we made it back to the yard. We had to make a rocket trip to town to get the... Oh, there it is there. Okay, that's not too bad. Got to make a rocket ship town to get the proper hose made. So hopefully it's right. We didn't take this one off, but it's way back in here. We got to take that one off for the door lift, and then it goes underneath the baler, goes across, goes in through that hole, comes out the other side, and it runs into the shut off here for your safety switch. So I got to take it off here. You want me to hold that or what? I found the best one in there. Fuck, we don't need Tyson to fix this stuff. Hey?
Nope, not the
Look
first
at this.
one I've done by myself.
I guess that pin just holds that tin on, hey? Those 2 bolts.
Yeah.
That'll work. Fucking line right up there. Fuck yeah, that'll work perfect. Alright guys, well, me and Sean got her together. We gotta go through the tube up there to the shutoff. Seems to be good. Got this side done. Should be good there. Just gotta shut this door. And I'm good to go back again. Actually, no, we gotta put some oil in the tractor first. So, anyway. Right, Sean? It's got a topper up there. How much load do you think it is? 2.5 gallons? Half a pail? Yeah. Half a pail down. So we'll top her up and then I'll head back and help him again. Maybe fall asleep over there. I don't know. Oh boy. Why are you opening gate? There you go. Close it off. Anyways. We got her fixed up there. Sean put some oil in her. And we're on our way back to Iced Tea. He's down at where we were baling. He had the other tractor there. And Grandpa and Sean quit raking, so then they came home and helped me put this back together. So anyways, I'll see you when we get over there. He's probably got most of it done by the time I get back there, but oh well, at least one's going. So talk to you in a bit. I made her back, buddy. I made her back. Nice. Just packing a bale here. She's gonna be full in a couple seconds. Look at that guy, always videoing me when I'm videoing him. You guys are only gonna have to watch one video. Oh well. She's just about full here, oh boy. Should be playing on my phone in this thick shit. There we go. Good enough. Come on, give me the end. Give me the end. Blink, blink. Good enough. Try that. Hopefully don't blow another hose. Oh shit, no, we'll be alright. We'll be alright, but she's pretty frickin' hairy in here. Look at the swath here, boys. Oh, just mint. Anyway, better let you go in case I plug her up. Well guys, we're getting down to the last little bit here. I think we're I don't know how many acres we did, but we're already sitting at, I'm at 100, he's probably at like 150, maybe more. We broke down because of that hose there or whatever, but he's over there. I think he plugged up, or the door latch sensor gets dirty. So all we got is this little chunk here, 3 strips there, and whatever he's got back there, I'll probably zing back there and help him here right away. All this stuff in this creek, there was water fucking coming through there. When Tyson comes zinging in there, water splashing out like he's at the mud bogs. Well, we got her done, boys. Got her done. We're heading home. Anyway, we got all this done. All that little piece there. That over there. I think we're sitting about, well, I'll be gone. They'll have to finish. I got 102. He's probably 120. Something like that, I think. So that's pretty good numbers. Lift my pickup up here. There we go. That's pretty good numbers on this little chunk, and they'll probably get another 100 at least in that stuff. There's lots. We cut a whole shitload here that didn't ever even cut last year. Basically what we baled up, he might have told this on his video, but I don't know. All these low spots here that are still got hay in them, those are stuff that he didn't cut last year. They cut all the hills here, so basically wherever the bales are scattered everywhere, that was what they cut last year. So all this in here, if we would have known that was okay, we made a cut straight through, but like he said, he doesn't want to mix the good hay in with that reed canary grass. It's kind of, if the excuse me, if the cows eat it, they eat it. If they don't, they don't. So, well, it wouldn't be a trip up north if we didn't come check out the sawmill. Right, Tyson? Right, Sean? I love this thing. This thing's sweet. I think we're going to fire her up here, so get you some sweet footage, boys. Yeah. Nice.
I bought this in 2000, and it cost me like, I think it was 10 grand at the time. And you can buy them for like 5 grand. Well, at the time, I don't know what they cost now. They're totally different, but you get only what was it?
8 foot.
I think it was 12-foot bed.
Oh.
You get a 12-foot bed, and then you only get a 9-horse engine. And yeah, that was about 5 grand. So I got the 16-foot bed and the 20-horse Honda in it.
All balls.
Yeah. So when you're cutting big logs, yeah, you need the horsepower. But I don't really care for the 20-horse. Maybe a Briggs would be better. I don't know. It runs okay, but the carbs you can't set the carbs on them. They're sealed.
Oh.
So they're like that California emissions crap in them. So
you should buy one of them new ones that are fuel injected.
yeah, I think that'd be better. In the wintertime, it runs too lean. That's what it is. It runs too lean, eh? You can't richen them out. But anyway, we got a log on here, and we're gonna do some cutting here. I should have came with some Roundup and sprayed it here. But yeah, we'll just...
Unless you're organic.
Yeah.
We don't know about it.
We don't know. Right? Where's my cant hook, Sean?
I don't think it's here.
Huh?
It's in the back of the truck.
Oh. Well,
Got to do it all by hand?
I'm gonna do it by hand, man.
Well, I'll shut this off and I'll give him a hand. I'll bring you back in a few, guys. Fucking fired right up. Nice.
Hasn't ran since December.
No, that's just auto shut off.
Yeah.
Then what do you do? Flip it over, quarter turn?
We'll flip it over, square it up.
I seen this on YouTube once.
Yeah.
All right, we'll give her a flip and bring you back. Okay, we flipped it over so that it's square. He uses a square. If we flip it over quarter turn, then he'll take this chunk off. Mint.
We got 2 sides square now. And for a 3rd side.
That's why we got. We can take the jam wings off. So we don't need those no more. We can just flip it up. There's little stops there, right here, and that's what stops it to keep it square. So once it's straight, you should be able to give her shit. So even his next cut, even if he cuts this, we can flip it over, then you'd have like a brand new board there again right away. I have to go another pass on there.
That was 10.
So you're gonna do another pass? That's what I thought. Go another inch? And that's how you get your crawl slabs. He's got some over here, I'll show you while he's setting that up. He made some 2x6 here, I don't know, last year I guess it was. Those are about fucking 12 bucks a board, them sons of bitches, 14 bucks a board. Here's his inch boards. Good for crawls. All kinds of good shit here. Have to phone Clay to come back. Clay's his welder guy. Okay, I'll let you go here. Maybe I can do this with one hand. Watch these guys here. Just like that. And we'll slide that against these stops. There we go. Good, Sean. Fuck my hands. Sticky sap. Anyway, he's gonna take this off now, and then we'll probably have like a 8x8, I would think. Let's go see what he's doing. That's your measurement in here. Just caving her. That means we gotta take another one off of there.
Firewood.
That one, yeah. That'll smell nice, all that sap. Now what do you?
I'm gonna do some baking. Not my baking. Here's what I've done.
Well, I guess 8x8. What is it that way?
That's 10 high and 9 wide, so I'm gonna get this even, so I'm gonna take it out of this off somewhere.
You want to take this off first?
I'm gonna flip her around again.
Okay. I'll bring you back. And what he does, he goes and he drops it down another inch. That's a nice one. That's a minty one. That'll be a nice one.
Here's your, this is your use this as your windbreak boards in your cattle yard. That's
Yeah.
how we use them.
Slabs.
Slabs, yeah. Well, these aren't even slabs. These are actually just flitches, the correct term. You just got a little bit of bark on each side. And if you wanted to, you could get a what the heck do you call those machines now?
Like a planer?
Not the planer. It'll cut them in. It's a nice.
Oh,
Somebody on YouTube will know. I just can't. It's on the tip of my tongue.
like a table saw thing?
It's like a table saw, yeah.
Somebody on your channel might know. I don't have that many. So that's a keeper for sure.
Actually, I'll put it here to cover them up. Good to cover them up. This way they don't rot. This log's a little bit too far, too.
So we're trying to make it square. Yeah, we could skid it back towards the saw. Look at him getting the footage. Nice. All right, we're cutting 2x6s now. We flipped it over, it was at 8s, but there was a little bit of bark left, but we got one nice inch board off there, so now it's going to be all 2x6. We shouldn't have to take them off, you'll be able to just cut right through. So that's kind of nice. Man.
You don't have to take the boards off.
Maybe just cut through, leave them lay there.
You can leave them there and come back. You're by yourself.
Yeah. How come Sean always keeps it running?
I don't know.
Doesn't push her as hard.
I think I got it just on a quarter.
Oh.
Choke. Yeah, just go down to 4, Sean. 4.
So he's going in 2-inch increments.
Yeah.
So you get the full rough cut.
Yeah.
2-inch effect.
The newer mills have it kind of set up better where you can just crank it and it goes inch by inch.
Okay.
So he's going to bend down there, look at the scale, get it set up just right, which is kind of sucks, but
It works.
it works.
Better than measuring with a tape measure.
This is a year 2000 mill, so
Yeah. We should get 4 boards out of there. 4 or 5. There we go, ready for the last board. Should get 4 boards out of there. Said he put a new blade in there too, so that makes a big difference. There you go. Look at that. There we go. That looks pretty damn nice.
what do you think?
I'd use those on my corral.
Oh, hell yeah, these will be going on the corral.
Can use them up here at the pen.
Yeah, we need it for this pen here, our corral at home. That's why I went and got the logs, because we got a lot of work to do on our corrals. And
That's never ending work.
well, it is, yeah. But nice new lumber. It smells good here.
Yeah.
And that smell-o-vision on the cameras.
Yeah, just like when you bale hay.
Yeah. It's like If you could, it's better than pine tree air freshener.
Yeah, it's the real stuff.
Yeah.
The real thing. But it's stickier.
We should just bag up the sawdust and
Tie it in
make
our,
little
just
sacks.
dump it in our vents.
Yeah. Just hang it from the mirror, a little sack.
Yeah. Little mesh nets. Have to get the tea bags.
Yeah.
Oh well. Well, I'll bring you back in a few here.
Yeah, I'll just bring them over here. Put some Roundup here so it doesn't go. It's a bitch to clean the sawdust out after we got all this grass growing.
Yeah. Well, there you have it, the Norwood Sawmill. Works like a dam.
It's not, you don't really want to saw in this weather.
It's too hot.
So,
No wind either in here.
the best time to saw is about -2, -4 Celsius. About 30 degrees.
Fahrenheit. For the American viewers.
Probably,
We got them all stacked here. You put little space boards in there. Put all the 1-inch boards there. Should be good to go. There's a few extra over there, but they're probably already dried out. So anyway, I'm gonna head back to the yard here pretty quick, and I'm gonna take off, I guess. So see you in a few. Well, we're here checking out the old peas. Looks like, what do you figure? I'd say about a week and a half.
That's what you figure, yeah.
Give her a week and hit her with Reglo, and you'll be in the bin in a half a week after. That's my guess.
They're a little drought stressed, heat stressed and that.
Yeah. But we got to stop at Tyson's house here and pick up some merchandise. Don't forget to hit him up. Are you selling it yet or what?
Not selling it yet.
Okay.
But I think might go too farm focused.
Okay. I'll probably do the same thing. So
I think that might be the way to go.
maybe we can do a group deal.
Yeah.
But anyway, nice 5 days hanging out here. We got lots of shit done, so that was kind of nice.
You over.
Yeah.
Like I said, got to make it down your way.
What do you think, Sean? Got put a lot of hay up in the last couple of days.
Yeah, I think you did like almost 300 rolls.
Over. Be almost 400.
Wow, together with yourself, you must have did 250.
Fuck, at least.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna hit the road here, so thanks for having me. And
Yeah, no problem. Come again.
well, I will.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
We'll find
You
something.
guys will have to head back our way.
There's always something to run here.
Yeah. Always something to break.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's my place.
That's
Old Wreck-It Ranch.
catchy.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, I probably won't talk to you till tomorrow because I'm just gonna drive home and give her. So, talk to you later. Can't even see old fucking Kai Farmer Man. There he is.
Alright.
We just dropped him off, eh? Show him your t-shirt.
Oh. See, we get it the right way. Look at that.
He's got a
Good
Northern
old
Farmer
Smokey on
t-shirt.
there.
And it's what? 1:30 in the morning. Hope your mom and dad don't watch this
Yeah,
video.
may or may not have snuck out of the house for the first
Yeah.
time. So hi, Mom and Dad.
There you go. That's what he had to get. There you go, Tyson. I hand delivered it for him even.
Yeah, that's
All right,
handy.
we'll talk to you later. Well, boys and girls, that's the end of the trip. We just made her home. 3:08 the next morning. Nice. Didn't even need to have a power nap. The old 7.3 made her like a fucking, just ran like a top. Anyway, I guess I'll end the video here. So, thanks for watching. Thanks Tyson for and Sean, and Trevor, and Pam, and Mr. Lloyd for the good hospitality up there in northern Alberta. And yeah, I think I'm gonna go to bed now. It's late and I see Billy yelling around. But instead of just rambling on here, I'm tired. So anyway, like I said, guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to go and subscribe to Tyson's channel, Northern Farmer. You won't be disappointed, so go give him a check out, and make sure you like and subscribe to his videos. And yeah, he's a good guy. So had lots of fun there this last 5 days. A good break to get away from the old ranch here. So anyway, if you don't subscribe, you're bush. So I think Billy's on my roof. He is on my roof. Frickin' Billy.